Now, our next session is session number 6.5, that is print the letters using mail merge. Yes, my dear students, all of you know that how we can print a letter with the help of mail merge and what is the main benefit of that. In mail merge, what we can do? In mail merge, we use two documents, and in two documents, one is called source document and another one is called recipients list. Clear? First one is source and another one is your recipient list. Now, first we will do from here, then we do the practical of that. In first question, what they are saying that first one is MCQ based. Which is the path required to access the mail merge wizard? Yes, my dear students, suppose we want to open the mail merge wizard, then how we can open? All of you know this is your LibreOffice Writer. Now in Tools menu, here you can see Mail Merge Wizard. Means Mail Merge Wizard option exists where? It exists in Tools menu. So here, which option is correct? Which is the path required? They are asking the complete path. They are not asking about only menu. If they asked about only menu, then we just have to write only tools menu. But what they are asking to us? They are asking to us path required to access. In this, you have to write down the complete path. Click on tools, then there you will find mail merge wizard. Now come to the next. What does the option create do the insert address blocks tab? Means in address blocks tab, what we can do, which kind of things we can perform in a address blocks tab. In address blocks tab, what we can do? First is we create the list of the recipients. Means if we want to send the letter to the multiple persons, then to whom we want to send. Means there we will make a list of recipients. And another one is it allowed to create a database table. Database table means beta, after create the list of recipients, then when we click on the next, what it will do? It will ask from us what is the name you want to set for your table. Means we have to set the name of the table, and when we set the name of the table, at that time what it do? It will create a table in a database. So here what will be the answer? Both A and B is the right answer, because in insert address blocks tab, first thing we create the list of recipient, and in the same step when we click on next, it will show us a pop-up menu for save table, and that table stored in database table. That's why both are the part of your address blocks tab. Both are the part of which tab? Both are the part of address blocks tab. Next is here. What does the adjust layout step do in the mail merge wizard process? In adjust layout, my dear students, what we can do? Adjust layout option is divided into two parts. First one is it fixes where the address block and salutation shown up on the document. Means the list of recipients where you write down the address of the persons, where that person's data we can show, and salutation also. At the top of the page we want to show the salutation, and the bottom of the page or at the last of the page, it's our choice where we want to show the address block and salutations. With the help of adjust layout tab, we can adjust the, or you can say we can fix it where the address block and salutation shown up on the document. Now come to the question answer. First one is here. How do you deal with the step 3, that is insert block of the mail merge wizard? Yes, my dear students, in this all these steps they will ask to you. So first we will do the practical and then we will discuss these question answer. Now, all of you know that suppose that here, let's take the content from here. Suppose this is our content, and this content I want to send to the multiple person. Then how I can send? Suppose this is my letter, or you can say this content I want to send to the multiple person. Clear? Now, how we can do? For that, first where we have to click on tools, then click on mail merge wizard. When we click on mail merge wizard, it will show a mail merge wizard dialog box to us. This one is your mail merge wizard dialog box. In the step number 1, that is select starting document. Select starting document means your main document, and that main documents can be the part of these 4 options. First one is use the current document. Use the current document means the opening existing document. And then next one is create a new document. Create a new document means, my dear student, suppose I don't want to use this document. I want to create a new document. At that time, you can click on create new document. Next is here start from existing document. Start from existing document means, my dear students, one document already exists in my computer and I want to use that document. At that time, we click on start from existing document. And how we can do? We just click on this. Then we have to click on browse and then select the document from computer. Suppose this one is any documents you can choose from your computer and then click on open. But we don't want to start from existing document because we want to start from current document. I am just showing you for an example. Next is here start from template. If you have any template in your computer, then you can also choose just like this existing document. But we have to use the current document because this one is the part of your syllabus. Use the current document and then click on next. When we click on next in step number 2, what is show to you? Select document type, means which type of documents you want to create. Is it a letter or it is a mail message? Yes, my dear students, we want to create a letter. Then click on next. This one is your insert address blocks tab. Insert address block. This tab is your insert address blocks tab. What we can do in this? First, we will create the list of recipient. All of you know that in this tab, in step number 3, we can perform 2 tasks. 2 tasks means we create the list of recipient and we also create the database table. Then how? First, now I'm going to select the recipient list. We want to create a recipient list. Suppose first fill the address information here. I want to set Neelam, last name, address line. Suppose I write here Panipat and city also Panipat, and suppose state Haryana. Okay, this one. And now I also want to create a new entry. First name Kavita. Any recipient's data, whatever you want to set, you can set according to your requirement. We just create 3 recipient here, suppose. Okay, after create the recipient list, means right now what we do, we just create the list of the recipient. When we click on OK, At that time, what it show? It show us a save as dialog box and write down the file name. It means that right now it's making a table into the database. Suppose we want to write down the name of the table is hello. Okay, we write down this table name, save. When we click on this, it shows the name of the table here and then click on OK. After that, what you have to do, you can choose the layout of your address block, means how your address block show. Click on this. If you want to create your new, you can create. When you click on create, it will show a new address block to you. Select the letter from here, suppose first name, click on this forward arrow, it will drop that here, or even you can simply drag and drop like this. Like this you can also do. First name and last name I want to set in this line, and after that address line here I want to show, and then after that I want to show the city here, and then I want to show state here. Clear? In this way, you can show you set your address element, and now click on OK. When you click on OK, your this one in last position, it exists. Whatever design you made, it exists at the last position. You will just click on that and then click on OK. When you click on OK, it show all data here. First, this one is my first name, last name, my address line 1, this is my city, and this one is my state. If you are thinking that, ma'am, how two Panipats are here, first one is better. In address line, I also write the Panipat, and next one is in city, I also write the Panipat. Now let's check for document 2, that is Kavita Rani, who belongs to, she belongs to Karnal, and address is Karnal, and city is Karnal, and state is Haryana. And now move to the third record, Monica Sharma. She lives in Sonipat, and this one is address line, and this one is city name, and this one is her state name. Now click on finish. Oh, sorry, we have to click on next step. Just wait. Again, we have to do this. Next. Here we have to click on next. By mistake, I click on finish. You have to click on next. And in this step, in step number 4, it will ask for the salutation. Salutations means better, do you want to add dear miss this and this, to whom it may concern? These things you want to add. If you want to add, or in the last you want to write dear friends, this kind of things, if you want to add into your letter, then you can choose from here. If you don't want, then no need to select anything from here. And if you want to create salutation or want to insert any personal salutations, this kind of dear Mrs. this, dear Mr. this, then you can click on this one. If you don't want to set the personalized salutations, you just uncheck that box, uncheck this one box. Clear? After that, click on next. Next tab, this one is adjust layout. In MCQ, we also discussed this tab, adjust layout. Adjust layout means beta, adjust layout divided into two parts. Address block position, and next one is salutation position. Address block position means whatever this address block you make, where it show. Whether you want to show here top of the page, whether you want to show after one line, whether you want to show at the end of the page. Hence, from address block position, you can set the position of the address block. Now you can see I am setting upward the text like this. Here I want to show, and next is here salutation position. You can see to whom it may concern. This is our salutation. You can perform only two operations on that. up and down. Up and up means it will move your content upward like this. You can see here. And if you click on down, it will show your content downside. Clear? In this way, suppose I want to set address here and salutation here. And now click on finish. When you click on finish, you can see here is the list of recipients appear. Now you can see here is the list of recipients. I am just minimize the little bit size of the screens. You are able to see. Here is first record, and now you can click on this next mail merge entry. It will show the another entry to you, Kavita Rani. And if you want to click on third, it will show you the third. I hope this point is clear to you. Now, again come to the PDF. Now we will learn from here. Now, in first question, how do you deal with the step? How do you deal with the step 3 insert address block of the mail merge wizard? Yes, my dear students, in step number 3, what we have to do? We create the list of recipient and after that we save into the database. This is the most complex step in the wizard. In this steps, you do 3 things. Which 3 things we do? First is here, select the address block to use the document by clicking on the select address list. First point, what we make? We create the list of the recipient. Then, this means choosing which field appear. For an example, whether the country is included or not and how they look. You may also create the data source right there. In next step, what we create? In next step, we also create the data source and then you also have to add one more thing here. After create the data source, we also create the table into the database in this step. Clear? In because all of you know that in step number 3 we create the list of the recipient and then second thing we also create the table into the database. These 2 points you can also write because these are also the part of step number 3. It allows to create the address list of the recipient or it allows to create a database table. Both points are the part of step number 3. Now, next question is here. What are the options in the step of create salutation? Yes, my dear students, which kind of options it show to you in create salutation? It is possible to create just about any salutations you want in this tab. Select the document that contain the salutation. It's your choice whether you want to enable it or don't want to enable. Some journal text are available in the list. You can select the text and even if you want to write down your own text that you can also do. And then preview pane display your choice. Now select insert personalized salutations to enable further salutation construct. Means if you want to write something from your side, at that time what you have to do, you have to click on insert personalized salutation. After that, you can write down the content in the box. Next is here, what will happen at the last step of the mail merge wizard process? In last step में क्या होता है बेटा? We combine that with the our data. In ये वाला होता है, this one is called step number last step. Here mail merge dialog box appear here, mail merge toolbar. We can set adjust the entries of the recipients with our main document. Now they will also say the same thing. In step number 6, you have another opportunity to exclude particular recipients from the mail merge. This merge documents can how be saved by selecting Save Merge Document. This will reveal the Save Merge Document settings sections from which you can select to save either one or large file containing all the individual or generated letters as a separate file for the each letter which you have saved the merge document. You can print the final letter now. because this is our final letter ready to print. We can just take the print out and then we can post that letter. I hope all these points are clear to you.